Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2025 Toyota Tacoma. It's in this beautiful Terra exterior. This Tacoma is in the TRD Off-Road trim, which gives it more off-road capabilities. And we've added accessories to it, and we'll talk about those as well. Powering this is a 2.4 liter turbocharged engine that is able to produce 267 horsepower and 270 torque. The TRD Off-Road Tacoma would have these nice aggressive grille, fog lights. The TRD Off-Road gives you this nice 11 inches of ground clearance, which is definitely helpful for off-road. And to help protect the undercarriage of your vehicle, we added this TRD Pro skid plate. Now this does come with a skid plate already, but we wanted to add that TRD Pro for definitely for looks and more protection as well. Now this whole front is PPF. Right here you can see the hood is PPF, the fender is PPF, and the bumper as well. And of course the side mirrors would have paint protection there as well. The TRD Off-Road will come with this wheel arches, so that protects your paint when you're going into those tricky off-road obstacles. 17-inch wheels, BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, Bilstein shocks all around, and we've added this side steps, very sturdy, and they are Toyota product because it says there TRD. The TRD Off-Road would also have this black door handles. Feels solid. Now this one has the 5-foot bed option. Let's take a look in the inside first. Oh, and here's your blind spot assist over here. And there's a surprise waiting on the inside of this Tacoma. As you can see, it's the 6-speed manual. Before we look at that, let's take a look at the door panels. Nice material, solid. They are nice to touch, solid to feel, spacious, lots of room for your stuff. TRD badging over here. Here are your buttons for your windows. Over here you can find some your buttons for your auto headlights, traction control. Here's your adjustment for your light. And here's the button to open the window, just in the middle there. It's gonna come with all weather floor mats. It does have the 2-tone cloth interior. Now these seats very comfortable to sit in. They have a nice material to them, and you're gonna have this white stitching. Let's take a look at the layout of that interior. Very nice. That door close is solid. It's like a truck should. Now let's start this Tacoma. Here's the red push button start there. On the left hand side, here are your volume, Bluetooth voice command, toggle for the display over here. Easily customizable. And here on the right hand side is your cruise control, lane keep assist, cruise control, range adjustment. Now this is also equipped with a dash cam, and this is a Toyota product as well. You can get this on your other vehicles if you want to, but it's gonna come with that, so that's nice to have. Tacoma badging over here. Now this comes with the Toyota connected services, so just set it up in the app and you should be able to remote start the car, lock, unlock, and see your service intervals there as well. Here's your climate control system, heated seats. It's gonna come with an electronic parking brake and your brake hold over here. A spot for your phone, USB-C, and 12 volts as well. And here's the beautiful 6-speed manual. Now this 6-speed does feel easy to drive. The shifter, easy to put into gear. You know which gear you're on easily. And the reverse is just right here. You won't ever mistake that for first gear, as it has that lock that you have to push, like just like that. Like here, that's first gear, and here, that's reverse. And over here are your drivetrain selector if you want to do that. Sport, normal, eco. And this is to adjust your 4x4 system if you want 2 high, 4 high, or 4 low. Now this button right here, the manual transmission on this Tacoma will come with auto rev matching. So what that means is when you're driving and sometimes you have to be in the right gear so you don't jerk when you change gears. If you change into the lower gear, this takes care of that. Just shift into the lower gear and it should still be smooth. Right here it's gonna give you the TRD Off-Road trim. Gives you rear lockers as well, differential locker, so that's nice to have. And this one here is the clutch start cancel. So if you press this, because on the manual transmission you would have to press in the clutch to start the vehicle and press in the push button start. But if you press this one, it's gonna disable the need to push the clutch in to start, and you just put your foot on the brake, click this push button, and it's gonna be started right away. It's helpful on those tricky off-road situations, or if you wanted to maneuver and you stalled the vehicle and you want to get started right away. So it eliminates the need to put your foot on the clutch and start it and have a whole thing going. Whereas if you turn this on, you just put your foot on the brake and click the TRD click the push button here, and you should be able to start it. Let's take a look at the back seats. I'd say the back seats on the Tacoma is more than adequate. Has what you need. The door opens wide, so it's easy to get in. And this goes up right there. And this one goes down as well. Beautiful, beautiful truck. One of the accessories that we add as well is this soft tonneau cover. So you don't have to buy that anymore. It's gonna come with the truck. So that's nice to have. And we added this ARB tow hooks in the rear. Now this only comes in the Trail Hunter version of the Tacoma, but now here you have it. So you can see, nice and solid. It's in the other one as well. This is gonna be your tow hitch. 7-pin, 4-pin, full-size spare over there. Now this is a damn tailgate, so it doesn't just slam on you. There you go. This truck bed can carry up to 1,600 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. That's the payload capacity of it. And yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention this tonneau cover is a Toyota product as well, as you can see. So if you are interested in this Tacoma TRD Off-Road that has this beautiful Terra color and has these accessories, let us know here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton.